how to remove or how to reverse AI art filter from TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you want to know how you can remove this filter right here so you can get to the original photo, because I have seen that many girls or boys now are doing this trend with a more sexy photo, and many of you want to see the real photo behind this. So if you go to TikTok and if you search for AI art, you will see here a lot of videos like this. So if you click on use this effect, you will see that you can add a photo that you like to do this trend with. For example, this photo of me, I took it a few seconds ago. And it looks like this. So I know that many of you may are wondering how you can remove this filter and how you can see the real photo behind it. Well, you have to know that this is not possible. The only person or the only app who can see the real photo behind that filter is TikTok and that person who did this filter. You can download any app that you want from Google App Store or from websites who are claiming that you can reverse this filter, but unfortunately they can't help you. This is just not worth spending time on. You will just gonna waste your time. You will see at the end. So guys, I'm sorry for the bad news, but unfortunately this is the real truth. So if you liked this video, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can also comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about this filter. And I'm so sorry to disappoint you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.